It's my fourth long program. First time I came to IPAM, before the first program, I was a fresh postdoc. Like my mentor at the time brought me in. That's something that's pretty unique with IPAM, is that normally you don't really get to hang out with really senior people when you're junior and just have like casual discussions or talk about whatever science is on your mind at this point in time. So I think for junior people, this is super valuable to learn, but also to create these collaboration networks of knowing other professors.
So you can imagine there are a lot of you.
And now I'm on the other side of this, where I look at the promising young people and say, a few of my postdocs, I met them here. A lot of my summer students, I also met them here. So it's very important to be able to have a good pipeline of people you know that you can go to recruit smart people, or just meeting very smart young people directly here. But at the same time, even as a senior person, I'm learning a lot from the other people here. So I think at every stage of your career, you get something different out of a stay here. And in my experience, there's always something unexpected that comes out of this, new ideas that come up, new projects, new collaborations and new friendships that stem out of this. So I really love coming here.